Hi, I'm Nessa Garcia, a social media marketer and a content creator with a passion for turning stories into scroll-stopping content. I thrive on travel, food, and culture, and I love helping brands shine online through creative, authentic, and engaging strategies. My strengths are creativity, adaptability, and communication. I can transform ideas into eye-catching campaigns, adjust quickly to trends, and connect with audiences in ways that inspire trust and action. I get so excited about creating content that sometimes I dive too deep into the details, but I've learned to channel that passion by setting timelines and prioritizing so I stay both creative and efficient. I once ran a campaign where engagement wasn't hitting the target. Instead of sticking to the plan, I pivoted quickly, analyzing insights, testing new content formats, and adjusting strategies. The result? Engagement doubled and the client was thrilled. In 5 years, I see myself as a creative leader, managing big campaigns and collaborating with brands across industry, helping them grow communities and inspire conversations online. I partnered with a business launch team, working alongside designers and copywriters. We aligned on the brand voice, crafted a content plan, and executed a campaign that not only boosted visibility but also built a loyal following right from the start. Social media marketing is storytelling powered by strategy. It's not just posting, it is building connections, sparking conversation, and creating content that audiences can't resist. Since algorithms and trends are always evolving, staying creative and adaptable is key. I'm especially proud of a tourism campaign I created in Davao Oriental by blending local food, culture, and scenic destination into fun, interactive content. I boosted brand visibility and encouraged collaboration with local businesses. It showed me how creative storytelling can make a real impact. I organize by urgency and impact high-priority campaigns first, then long-term creative planning. I use content calendars and project trackers to stay on top of everything. This keeps me efficient while still leaving room for creativity. I once posted the content with a small typo. I quickly corrected it and kept the brand voice consistent. That experience taught me the power of double-checking and building systems for quality control, because small details matters in big ways. Thank you for your time. It was such an inspiring conversation. I'm eager to bring my creativity and strategy to your brand and help take it from zero to trending hero. Bye!